Hello, in this video I'm going to show features of BotFightSim version 1.2. Almost everything in this game I showed how to do in my videos, and this game is free to download, and you can find a link in the description. I added the new practice level. It forces you to jump and to crouch. I added the lobby door to every level, so I'll show you in the other levels. I want to show the crouch. So with the gun in the player's hand, that works. Now I'm going to drop the gun. Now I'm going to crouch. So you can see the hands are still in the gun pose. That's because I don't have the proper animations. There's another problem with the crouch. If I crouch and then stand up, the head goes to the ceiling. It still works, but it doesn't look good. So there are two problems with the crouch that I haven't fixed yet. I want to mention something on the size of the file. BotFightSim 1.0 started at 737 megabytes. BotFightSim 1.2 is 777 megabytes. So that's a large increase in file size, and I didn't add any new assets. I just used some of the same assets over again. So that increases a lot in file size without adding new assets. And I'm trying to keep the file size under 1 gigabyte because itch.io has a maximum of 1 gigabyte file size unless you get permission from them.